gonna rain.
Thanks, Ollie.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hughes County in southeast Oklahoma, extreme northeastern Pottawatomie County in central Oklahoma, Seminole County in east central Oklahoma, until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing half-dollar size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. This storm was located 10 miles northwest of Cromwell, moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Holdenville, Wewoka, Wetumpka, Dustin, Calvin, Cromwell, Lamar, Atwood, Beecher, Horntown, Little, Lima, Spalding, and Centerview. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 197 and 213. Move inside a sturdy building until the storm has passed.
Now go live to Ollie Williams with the Black U Weather Report. How are you beating the heat, Ollie?
Swimming hole!
Thanks, Ollie.